remember, this was my burnout unit. Hey, Tami Goodwin here, and I am outside of my townhome unit, Prince of Wales, and I'm super excited. We're going to go in. We're going to see what's going on. It's titled Prince of Wales After the Burn Part 2, because remember, this was my burnout unit. This was the one where the whole back of the building was burnt out, and I'll show you what the other one looks like next to it, because that's mine too that I'll be doing after this one. That's another after the burn. But let's flip it around and see how we're doing. You're going to see my guys are up here working right now. Then it is on. So I'm super excited. Let's go check this out. So here we go. That's Jesus, my plumber. So he is in here. Let's walk through this joint. Woo, look at Jesus the plumber throwing up deuces. That's Jesus. That's my guy who does all the work. Let me tell you, before this was a closed kitchen and I made it open. So the cabinets are going to go all on the back there. And then right back here, there was no pantry before. So I had told them I wanted to put a little pantry inside of the room. Well, then the other gentleman said, how about we put a door and we make it a full walk-in pantry, which we did. So this is going to be nice. We're going to have a full walk-in pantry. We're going to have all the cabinetry back here. We're going to have an island here. The island is probably going to be, it's either going to be a 3-foot island or a 4-foot island. We're going to see if I can squeeze a 4-foot in. I'm going to do that. If not, it'll be slightly, it'll be smaller. Then there used to be a sliding glass door. I took that out and just put a regular door back here. So this is what it looked like before. That's why I say after the burn. Do y'all see that? Do y'all see how burnt that is up there? This one was worse. But look at it now. They've done a fabulous job. I want to show you guys this. It's definitely be a stunner when it's done. So you guys keep watching, because I'm going to keep bringing you guys the updates, and the more we start working, you're going to get to see it all. And it's just absolutely lovely. Don't forget, so this is in Stone Mountain, right around the corner in Decatur. And hey, I am starting a YouTube, and it's going to be called Time is Ticking, so you better start picking. So, guys, it's been great. Hope you've enjoyed this moment.